Ain't no freaking way.
Boy, yeah, I gotta go, boy. Boy, you sneezing, bitch.
Yo, I gotta go, boy.
Sneeze like cloud of shit, boy. You got some, you gotta go, boy. Boy, yeah, I gotta get on out of here, boy. Come on, bro. You gotta leave.
Man, without the spray bottle.
Out here, boy. Hell no, boy. Go ahead, bro.
Turn it up.
I ain't gonna lie, sneezing on people is crazy, bro. Especially in today's climate. Nah, come on, Gio. We gonna see what you talking about, Gio. This one of your best videos. I'll be the judge of that. Yeah. Okay. Sneezing on people is crazy. I'm gonna turn the brightness up. What's going on? Oh nah. Our Gio clothes always be tight. Make all I got on some tight ass clothes.
Hey fam, you got these in the size 46?
Ain't no freaking way. This man asked for a size 46. 46.
I don't got that 46. You work here?
Yeah, I work here.
You don't work here.
Yeah, I work here, bro.
Oh, you about to sneeze on him. Ain't no freaking way.
Boy, yeah, I gotta go, boy. Boy, you sneezing, bitch.
Yo, I gotta go, boy.
Sneeze like cloud of shit, boy. You got some, you gotta go, boy. Boy, yeah, I gotta get on out of here, boy. Come on, bro. You gotta leave.
Man, without the spray bottle.
Out here, boy. Hell no, boy. Go ahead, bro.
You can't start here, boy.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Go ahead, boy. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Get your ass around here,
Yeah,
boy.
gotta go, boy.
It's just a virus, cuz. It's just a virus.
Go, baby.
It sound like freaking Atlanta niggas, bro.
You gotta go, man.
Hold on, let me just.
Ain't no freaking way. Gio, come on, bro. We gonna see what he talking about. That shit already funny.
Hey man, what's up? Don't you got corona or some shit? Bro, you sneezing and shit. Don't you sneeze on me, bro.
Ain't no freaking way. What's wrong with this nigga?
Hey man, say man, it's your boy SmoothGio. Yo, back with another video, man. Hold on, before the video start, I want to say I kind of do got a little eye booger in my eye, but y'all spare me. Y'all know I'm clean, right?
I ain't even noticed till you said it.
Got another hood video. Oh,
Wash
yeah.
your face when you
I'm
wake
with my
up,
boy,
Gio. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Gio. See, I do it better than Gio.
Yeah, it's time to crank up again. It's time to crank up again. But look, y'all.
Right,
in today's video, I know everybody, this whole world been going
sneezing
crazy,
on people is crazy.
This whole coronavirus stuff. So it's only right that I bring y'all a hood video of the coronavirus.
He be risking his life, man.
Coronavirus in the hood. My last video got 100K likes, so I gotta bounce back for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. You dig?
We gonna see. Sneezing on people is crazy, especially in today's climate, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Slow as dirt.
What you mean? What I did?
Why he got all these balls on him? What is wrong with this man?
Sneezing. That's your problem, man. I got
This man got a tool belt of phones. What is this video? It gotta be scripted, bro. What is that? What is that? Hold on, I gotta go back.
Hey, I got allergies. Hold on.
Bro, what is that? Stop playing with me like that. Look at this man. Tool belt. Look at this man, bro. What he got going on? Man, tactical ass hood nigga. Another tight ass shirt. They all got on some tight shirts, bro. Like, what is this?
Sneezing by me and shit, man. Tighten the fuck up, man.
Sneezing.
What's your problem, man?
I got allergies. Hold on.
I did not see the big ass spray bottle he walking around with.
Man, you gotta get yourself dealt with out here now.
Get yourself that way out here, man. Sneezing on people is crazy.
Hey, fam. I kind of got corona and shit like that. And I'm trying.
What?
Ain't no freaking way.
I got corona. You might have it. You do now.
This video gotta be fake, man.
Hey, hold on.
Old
What you
head.
said the cure for corona is?
Oh, long you black, don't worry about it.
You said as long as you what?
Black.
As long as you black, you can't get it.
I got that bitch. You got 50? Yeah, I need change. That's your dog over there?
Yeah, but I'm dog. You know you're on that fucking shit, man.
Now you gotta tell that boy get off that.
I don't move, dog.
How did not see this bottle, man?
Man, come on, bro. Coronavirus out here, man.
Nah, hold on. My bad. Nah, I got the sniffles and shit.
How did they not see that big ass bottle?
You see what happened to Kevin Durant and all them, man? Shit crazy.
Nah, I got allergies and shit.
Hey, no freaking way.
Come on, man. What you doing?
I would have been eating.
That's what that was, bro. You just sneezed on me, man. You tripping, fam. Hey, it's coronavirus.
How did they not see this bottle?
He fucked up.
Bro.
The fuck? What the fuck? Ain't no freaking way.
What you mean?
What you got going on?
What you?
He got a freaking. He threw that truck at her for real.
Corona?
Corona
I ain't
disease.
got no disease.
Why dudes be sagging like that, bro? What is wrong with you? Pull your pants up. What is that? Pull your pants up, man.
I ain't got no disease, but I got corona. Hey!
Yeah.
This sounds so freaky.
Yeah.
What? You got that?
Great psychology.
Say what?
Get your face.
Nah, I ain't
Hold on.
You got that?
great psychology.
Say what?
This man got a cigarette in his ear. That's wild. You smoking cigarettes, man?
Corona, cause I do.
Nah, I ain't
Nah. This is so funny. Come on, bruh.
Nigga got corona in his ass.
Not the ad.
Kill germs on hard or soft
Oh
surfaces.
my God.
Clorox disinfecting mist. Shop now.
She look good. So sketchy. So he walking around. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, what is this? Okay, first of all, I don't even listen to YoungBoy, but like, bro, you about to get my video copyrighted, bro. We can go ahead and try to skip this. Like, what you got going on, man? Man, come on, man. Well, I'm just gonna play it. Ain't no freaking way.
Hey, I got corona. Hold on. What's that? I can't hear you. What's that?
What you got going on?
He's ready to right in the man's face.
Yo, you fuck around here when you coughing and sneezing and shit. What's wrong with what you got going on?
Right.
Bitch, you need to quarantine. What the fuck you got going on?
You need a quarantine, nigga. You got corona.
Or something. You gotta get from around here.
Man, I'm straight.
Man, straight.
Why he go get into close contact with him? He looks so sketchy, man. Like, this gotta be fake. If you in a part of a freaking city like that. Oh no, this is wild. It's gotta be fake.
Hold on, my G, hold on, nigga. Nigga, hold on. Nigga, I'm talking about the motherfucking drink, nigga.
Okay, what's up?
No one funny.
No, what's wrong with you? Big buddy.
I'm not fake laughing no more.
Yeah, boy. I ain't got no damn virus. Looking like Larry Fitzgerald and shit.
Yeah, that. Dang.
Nigga, I'm a soldier, nigga. Stop playing. It's just a little scratch. Come on, next clip. Let's slide.
This man is wild.
Huh? Are you selling stuff?
Yeah,
What you got?
I got pickles, mango. Hey, bro, step back, please.
What you mean?
You got that Rona, bro. Step back.
You got that wrong, bro.
Hold on, bro. You gotta step back. Where my white set, man?
What you said?
Ain't no way.
Cuz, can you step back, cuz? I said fruit here.
Step back, cuz.
Come on, cuz. Hey,
Come on, cuz. Step back, cuz.
I'm close.
I can't buy that.
We closed, cuz.
I just got corona. It ain't that serious.
Cuz, I'm close, cuz.
I'm close,
Please
cuz. Step back, cuz. Step back, cuz.
You can take everything.
I can take this
Take
too.
everything. Take everything.
Yeah, nah, she lying.
But it has
You
It ain't that serious.
You got bye. No.
We got a free variety pack of chips.
Take all of it, cuz.
If this video is real.
Take all this shit, man. All right, cuz. All right, y'all got rolling shit, man. Now I got to go in the house for 14 days. Cuz, don't take the cooking. Don't take the cooking.
What if he got COVID for real and don't even know it? He's just giving everybody COVID.
Oh,
The fuck?
hold on. You the same one from Blessico.
Man.
What it do, mama? Well, you never know who you might find it. Hey, man, you got $1? Anything like that? Like you ain't got no change on you, nothing like that? What you mean? What you mean?
What is you doing right now?
What is you doing? I just asked if you got $1.
Sneezing and shit.
Nigga, I just got corona. That's all it is.
You said what?
What you mean?
You said what?
He picked up a whole palm tree branch.
Stupid. Street. Camera right there, boy.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Like, if it was real, then that's crazy. But I still got a feeling that the video was kind of scripted. But you know what? That's it for today's video. I'll see y'all in the next one. YouTube. I'm out.